So, hello sir. Hello everyone. So, gagawin ko ngayon is laboratory number 1. So, find a website where you can check for vulnerabilities using Zap by checkmarks. So, ito yung Zap. So, this is the Zap kung saan pwede mong scan or check yung website kung yung kanyang vulnerabilities. So, download na natin to, then open na lang natin. Then open natin. Yan. So, ito yung Zap app. So, dito sa automated scan, dito ilalagay yung link. Link kung anong gusto mong link na iskanin. So, meron ako ditong link na nahanap na iskanin. Then, try lang natin. Then, dito sa analyze, scan policy. Meron akong ginawa dito. Pero, standard lang. Then, merong API, default, then full dev standard. Yun yan. Then, wala din lang yun kasi default din lang siya. Then, try natin atakin. So, hintay lang natin matapos to. Dito tayo sa spider. So, meron siyang mga out of scope. So, mga hindi kayang i-detect. Yan. Hintay lang natin matapos. So, URLs found 1,848. Then, so ngayon wala pang red alert or red flag. Ah, so, malapit na. Meron siyang post method. For 9.03 and 99. Then yung ibang detect is nasa alert. And then meron pa dito, pag natapos to may lalabas. Yung mga ibang na-detect. Ayun. So, support Fairfax. Then, dito sa active scan. Dito niya i-scan na. Then, meron siyang not found. Meron ding okay. 200. Ayan. Tapos, Ajax wala. Then, dito yung spider. Then, history. Oh, yeah. Output. Then, yung alert niya is meron siyang 18 alert. Which is CSP, wildcard directive. Then, script SRC unsafe inline. Then, style SRC unsafe. Then, cross domain misconfiguration. Then, missing anti-click jacking header. Then, vulnerable JS library. Then, cookie with some site attribute none. Then, cross domain JavaScript source file inclusion. Then, private IP disclosure timestamp X content type option. Then, charset mismatch. Then, information disclosure suspicious comment. Then, loosely scope cookie modern web application re-examine cache control the directives. Then, retrieve from cache session management response identified. So, meron siyang 18 alerts. Ang dami. So, 6 medium, then low, 5 low, then 7 informational query alerts. So, sa high, as of na wala naman. So, wala siyang red flag. Then, dito. And then, ito yung spider. Then, dito yung history. Yes, history. Okay naman siya, medium. Hindi, hindi siya gaano. I mean, medyo safe siya. Script cookie. Ito. Hindi pa tapos. So, yun lang muna. So, yun lang, sir. Bye.